All right, we're talking about Ozempic, Wegovy, Zepbound, Mounjaro, all these fun GLP-1 drugs that everybody seems to be raving about, helping folks lose weight. Everybody wants them, it seems like. People that are trying to lose weight are flocking to them. We're getting lots of good results from. So naturally, when you hear about your friend losing 40 pounds, 25 pounds, whatever it is, and you're struggling, you want to take the magic pill or shot or whatever it is, whichever way you take it. So CMS, the Center of Medicare and Medicaid Services, has been trying to come up with a program to start covering these prescriptions, and they were going to do it in 2027. They were going to have something called the balanced program, right? The balanced model, which was going to help carriers be able to afford to cover this stuff and offer it to people, because obviously if we lose weight 20, 40, 50, 60 pounds and we get lower cholesterol, better blood sugar, less chance of heart disease and other things that come with being overweight, generally you would think that would be a good thing. So sounds good. In the meantime, the model's been kind of pushed off for the launch. Carriers are pushing back. They're not sure they want to participate, right? Because if you say you're going to participate, you're participating. In the beginning, what's going to happen is everybody's going to rush to get these drugs, whatever carrier is participating. And let's face it, people that tend to need to lose 40, 60, 80 pounds, whatever it is, generally have high blood sugar, higher cholesterol, other things going on. So they're going to be more costly in the beginning. The carriers don't have any guarantees that you're going to have client A from year 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. And then by the time you get to year 4, you're going to have this client that lost 55, 60 pounds, got all their blood markers down, living a much healthier life. So whether it's a Part D plan, standalone, or Medicare Advantage plan, these things can be changed on an annual basis, and they quite frequently are. So it's got the carriers a little nervous. They're not too excited about participating as of right now. I'm not sure what they're going to do with the incentives. So what we're looking at now, July 1st, we're going to have the bridge model. The bridge model bypasses insurance. So anybody out there doesn't understand what I'm saying, instead of going to your insurance carrier when the prescription goes in for you to get the GLP-1 drugs, it goes to basically a mainframe that's going to handle that prescription. It won't be your insurance carrier, so they can't say, no, you can't get it because you don't have the right body mass index or you don't have the right pre-existing condition. You'll be able to get it based on your doctor's prescription and your body mass index and pre-existing condition or whatever, if it fits the criteria. And the doctors are going to know whether you are or you aren't going to fit before they submit it. It's not going to be one of those things where it'll be a surprise. And good news is you'll be able to get it for just $50 a month, which is awesome. The downside is we don't know how long it's going to last. So just keep in mind, July 1st comes around, you can get on this drug most likely if you've been trying to get on it and you got denied for one reason or another. However, it might not be a long-term thing. And January will be here before we know it. We're not sure what's going to happen. There's definitely got to be some more incentive for the insurance carriers to take the risk on this type of program. But that's what we're looking at right now, right? So CMS has extended its short-term bridge program for the GLP obesity drug. Once again, it's going to start on July 1st. It's going to run until January, and we'll see what happens. Whether they extend it, whether they actually start the balanced model that they're trying to do, we don't know yet. But what we do know, July 1st, that is the kickoff for the bridge model, and a lot more people are going to be happy about being able to get this prescription. Guys, love to hear any questions, concerns about GLP-1 drugs. You want to drop some comments below. Anything else you want to know, feel free to comment. This is what we do with the Modern Medicare Agency. My name is Paul Barrett, and since 2007, we've done nothing but specialize in Medicare. So hope you found this interesting, and any questions, concerns, please comment.